Good morning, everyone. Alpha here with Alpha Trades with the morning recap. Unfortunately, in the morning, my mic was not recording, so I could not upload the video at 5 a.m. in the morning. But here is a quick update. Futures were down. Futures are down still. Futures are down 0.5% on the SPX, 0.7% on the NASDAQ, and 1.1% on the Russell. The VIX was up 15%, I believe, on the upside at one point, currently up 11%. The XPX on market open dipped completely on open. We did take a position, which I did call out on my Discord as soon as I took it. So be sure to follow the Discord if you guys want these live trades. I guess, I don't know, that's free if you guys want to. I took an XPX put for 445 at 4.4 at 6:40 in the morning. Closed one contract at 8.5. Closed a second contract at 8.6. Took an $830 profit. Just put $800 play right there because I do not feel like explaining myself exactly. I took profits. I did call out this bounce. I did see that bounce at the 15-minute chart in the second deviation. Actually, I did that completely by luck. I wasn't even trying to do that. I thought the play was right here. I thought it was bouncing off the standard deviation, which I think I did call here. Well, I mean, I did call, but I called it on accident, I guess. I thought that was a standard deviation line. I just realized that is a trend line. Unless if I was looking at a different one. Nope, that was the one I was looking at. I was not looking at the 30-minute one. Looking at the 15-minute one. We did see, the reason I was looking at the 15-minute one was because I did see the 5-minute break completely the swing arm strategy. So I went even deeper into the trade. It did break it as well, but it wasn't that bad. It was still, I thought it was still trading on the standard deviation line. I guess I got lucky with this trade. I do think that there's still quite a bit of downside. I believe this is just the market recovering a bit on the day. I do not think the downside is over. As I did say, unfortunately, that I wasn't recording. We are repeating, or we might be repeating, the same pattern we have been repeating for the past 3 months. Here we see on the 5th, we did see some volatile market. We saw some volatile news. So we had a dip, and then on the 19th, we had a 2% dip. So this is a play we should be looking out for. If we see a 2% dip in the market, we should be looking for a play if we do see the market begin to recover. If we see a 2% dip, that will set us somewhere around the price target of 4377. 4377. So I will be looking out for a play around that range. If I do see the market begin to recover, I will be taking an SPX call for around the end of the week, or a 7 to 4 day trade. That could be around 800% profit. Not saying I always take 800% profits, but that is quite a bit of profit. Here we see again on the 5th or on the 6th, we had a 2% drop as well on the market. And then we had a over 100% play recovery for that week. We did see that it didn't quite really play out if we would have taken that trade early, if we would have waited for the FOMC minutes, which we do have the FOMC minutes this week. Pull it out. We do have the FOMC minutes coming out this week on the 16th, I believe. No, where is it at? On the 18th. FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. Wednesday on the 18th. That does seem to be happening every single month, and that does seem to be the cause of the huge dip. So after this 2% dip on June, is this June? That's June. We did have the 100% playback. That was a 100% profit. And then we had a 2.5% dip, and then we had a 150% playback with new highs and making new highs and making new highs. This play was completely crazy. I did not take that play. I did panic that day, and I did not even take a 100% play trade. But now I will be looking for a play somewhere around that range, even though volume spikes have seemed to kind of shrunken down quite a bit. It doesn't seem to be as volatile. When I say volatile, I mean like we're not seeing like huge movements in the market. The market seems to be calming down a bit. VIX has dropped on the day already. Tesla, play on Tesla. Where's it at? Tesla is another play I wanted to do. Let me see if I'm still recording my voice. I am, okay. Tesla is a play I wanted to do. I did say that Tesla does not love to stay below the 200 SMA. We do see that it dips below the 200 SMA, and then it dips back up, and then we have a dip higher high. Well, not higher high, but it dips quite a bit high. It dips 6% up. Then we trend it back down. We trade it kind of sideways again off the 200, bounce back up. We had a 12% increase. We're trading sideways again. It did seem so. If we do the math, we had a 6% increase. Then we had a 12% increase. If we do the math, we should get, okay, another 10% increase. I guess not. I was going to say we should get around a 20% increase, but that's a bit crazy. I do not think Tesla's done. Tesla's dipping quite a bit today. I believe this is due to the market because everything seems to be trending on the down right now. As you guys can see, my watch list, my beep boop watch list. I will be waiting for the 200 SMA to trade around the 680 to 710 price range, I say. Anything around that price, I would be taking a play for maybe around the month, I'll say. See if we can break above the downtrend. Right now, it's currently trending back down. I would be looking for a play to trade somewhere around the 200 SMA as well. If it dips below, I'll probably buy a few more calls than I would normally will. I'm not going to take a trade right away, only if it dips below the 200 SMA. I doubt it will. I doubt it will. Gold seems to be recovering, but not really too sure about iron though. This was a play I was doing on, oh, that's the wrong stock. Where is it? VALE. Here is a play I was doing on VALE, which it was trading around this range right here. It kept seemed to be bouncing off, but it did seem like it finally dipped down when gold and silver was dropping. It also seems like it was bouncing straight down here. Was making quite a bit of money here. If I would have been taking huge trades, I could have been making around $10,000 per trade, but I wasn't. I was making around $2,000 per trade within the months. So yeah, good trades, good trades. I was taking months plays and I was making around $2,000. It was decent plays shorting and then buying puts and then buying calls. Didn't buy this one. Didn't exactly dip down here. Missed that play. Took this place over here. But it did seem, why am I having another alarm? But it did seem like finally broke on the downside. We haven't broken the swing arm strategy. So it could completely bounce straight off and make an insane amount of profits. I do not think that's going to happen though. It does seem like VALE is done for the minute. We will probably be making new plays, or it could be making the same play it did back in February. We do see that it was doing kind of a similar trading pattern, and then it kind of like broke down and it broke off this trading pattern where it was bouncing off, and then out of nowhere it just completely skyrocketed up. It just completely went up and up and up, and it bounced and it bounced up and it bounced up, and it could be doing this again. It just seemed like the trading pattern was a bit wider now, so it could be an even bigger bounce now above this range, I guess. I don't know. Kind of a risky play in my opinion. I do not like the play anymore. It was a really good play I was doing. I'm just talking about it because these are the kind of trades I do. GME, AMC are currently down a day. Not really looking for a trade in those. mRNA was completely killing it after insider news broke, and there was some amazing news. So if you were able to take a trade on those, congratulations. Thank you to Unusual Wealth for those plays, by the way. Where is my LCID? Here we go. Exactly the one we wanted. LCID, I guess, is considered a meme stock because it was trading on February with the spikes of GME and AMC. But something I do like of Lucid charts is I'm pulling it up right now. Lucid charts, where are you? There we go. Well, I keep saying Lucid charts, LCID. It just, yeah. So we had quite a bit of buying volume on the dark. We had quite a bit of volume on the dark pools. We had huge volume spike. And we do have a few bearish plays. People selling contracts, people selling calls, so they're trying to get premium on them. I do believe that if this trade does seem like somebody knows something and something is coming. Let me check something out real quick. The analysis earnings are on October 28th. So earnings are not that far away. Have we had a second quarter earning on this one? Well, it's not loading anymore, so I can't really tell. But it does seem like there could be a potential 30% up trade on this one because it was considered a meme stock. So if we do see a play above the standard deviation line, we could see a play coming all the way up to 28.6. Massive play right there. What exactly, where is it at? I was going to show you guys. Here we go. The flow. Let's see if the flow shows correct. We have quite a bit of calls, quite a bit of calls on the day, and then a lot of green of calls. It's not showing me exactly what I wanted to show you guys, but this was completely green. The calls were completely destroying the puts. I think this is because of my filter. Well, a little better, but there's quite a bit of calls, It does seem like people are more bullish than bearish, so I will be looking out for a play in LCID. Not gonna take a huge trade. I'll probably see for a small $100 to $200 trade on my risk. When I say 100 to 200, I mean something like this: 1 month play, $200 trade right here. I'm still not decided if it does go to the $46, $48 trade. That is quite a bit of profit, actually. $8. That is not a bad trade. If I'm being honest, for the Delta, that is $800, $700 profit. Anyways, I think that's it for my DD. Not a lot of stocks I'm looking out for right now. I guess I could show the gold. Gold is kind of making a recovery after there was massive dips when the market thought that the Fed was soon to taper. Market still thinks that the Fed is tapering in September. So next month, next month. Silver is kind of trading sideways. I do think silver is still going to get hammered down quite a bit. Gold might also get hammered down quite a bit. That is pretty much everything I'm seeing. Let's see this trade. SPX is currently still down, unfortunately, for everybody who took a call. Oh, wrong one. That is the XPX. 44.5. I guess I took good profits. It's not that far down, but I guess took a good profit right there. It does seem like it's beginning to dip again. I'm probably seeing a line right here, 4433 for the end of the day. Could potentially see a bounce off, but I'm hoping for a huge dip, taking some huge profits again. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Sorry for extending the video too long. Sorry for not uploading the morning video. My mic was not recording. But be sure to follow the Discord. The Discord will be down below. I'm uploading my trades. Also, featured traders are here, which are uploaded by my bot. We can see that Options Trader has not uploaded anything yet. We do see some trades here going on and some more trades going on. See if you guys are interested in those featured trades. My trades as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys at market. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the really late video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.